What is deferred maintenance and why is it important? Hi, it's Ian Thompson, 60 Seconds with Ian. Deferred maintenance means you know that the roof in your house is getting older and older and older, but you know what? It doesn't leak, it seems to work okay. Let's just not do that right now. Or the furnace is older and older and you click it on in the winter and it still works, that's great. And the hot water tank doesn't leak yet. And those things are being deferred to some future point. Now, if you're a homeowner going to sell, typically it's going to come up during the home inspection because the new insurance companies particular won't be favorable for a roof that's over 30, 32, 35, could be 40 years old, because regardless, they're going to want a new roof. So think about that as you own your home along the way. Are you deferring things that are just going to come up when you sell your house anyways? And then it's frustrating, you're negotiating, reducing the price, and all those things you'd rather not do. So try not to do deferred maintenance. Hey, if you like 60 Seconds with Ian, make sure you go to my YouTube channel and subscribe. And if you'd like to book an appointment with me, just hit the button below and I'll get back to you right away. Okay? Have a great day.